Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is conundrum. It is pronounced drum and is spelt CONUNDRUM. Think co, nun, and then drum. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exams this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Conundrum is a noun that means a confusing or difficult problem or question. It is often used to describe a puzzle or riddle with no easy solution. For example, you could say, the detective faced a conundrum as he tried to solve the mysterious case. Or choosing which ice cream flavour to pick was a conundrum for the little boy. The word conundrum has an uncertain origin, but it's believed to have first appeared in the late 16th century. In the beloved children's book series The Boxcar Children, the Alden siblings often encounter conundrums as they embark on exciting adventures and mysteries. They use their cleverness and teamwork to solve puzzles and overcome challenges. Synonyms for conundrum include puzzle, riddle, mystery, and enigma. Antonyms for conundrum include solution, answer, and explanation. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today. Conundrum. Have a top day ahead and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.